This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. Bright and amp, open floor plan west/a 180-degree view overlooking the lake, palm trees, flowers and shrubs. Enjoy breathtaking sunsets. Both bedrooms have plush carpeting. Bathrooms have custom granite counters west/brushed nickel accessories, designer light fixtures, full body shower heads and lots of cabinet space. Large living room and amp, spacious separate dining room west/solid wood floor and built-in cabinets. Kitchen includes stainless appliances, and an extended custom granite countertop as well as a separate eating area with a bay window. It also has a large pantry. Custom-made blinds. Clubhouse offers a kitchen, game room, a large community room with state-of-the-art #X2013, the Art Fitness Center. Resort-style swimming pool west/waterfall and amp, spa. There is also a satellite pool, walking trails, tennis, bocce, basketball, volleyball, inline skating rink and more. Plus social activities every day of the year. Close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and beautiful Gulf beaches. For more information, review the details below.